The Expo Alligator Multi-Shot Rapid-Fire magazine is a game-changing addition for owners of the Alligator 1 and Alligator 2 pistol crossbows. This innovative kit enhances your crossbow's capabilities by introducing an 8-shot rapid-fire system, significantly elevating your shooting experience. One of the most remarkable aspects of this conversion kit is its ease of installation. It has been thoughtfully designed for quick and straightforward setup, allowing users to adapt their crossbows without the need for extensive technical knowledge. For added convenience, an instructional video is available to guide users through the installation process. By incorporating the multi-shot rapid-fire magazine, you can unleash a rapid barrage of arrows for the price of $100. The Cyma single-shot pistol grenade launcher is a robust and versatile weapon crafted by the renowned Cyma company. Designed with simplicity and reliability in mind, this launcher breaks down into two parts for quick and easy loading. It offers a range of approximately 20 meters, making it a formidable addition to your arsenal. With its efficient metal workings and sturdy build, the Cyma single-shot pistol grenade launcher guarantees long-lasting performance without any issues. Whether you're engaging in airsoft battles or tactical scenarios, this launcher provides you with the means to take your gameplay to the next level. The price is $36. The HUIN GK1 pistol, inspired by the renowned HUIN K1 modification, offers a unique format in the world of airguns. Combining the HUIN K1's power and large magazine capacity with a compact pistol format, the GK1 weighs just 1.2 kgs and measures 325mm in length. This pistol delivers unmatched power for its size, ensuring superb accuracy. It boasts an ergonomic walnut grip and offers adjustable power, iron sights, and a dovetail rail for optics. While it isn't suppressed, the HUIN GK1 packs exceptional power and precision into a compact design. You can pre-order it for just $100. The Arcflesh Labs GR1 Anvil is an astonishing 8-stage semi-automatic high-voltage Gauss rifle, setting new benchmarks in coilgun technology. This remarkable device stands as the most potent coilgun ever available to the public, and quite possibly the most powerful handheld coilgun ever crafted. The GR1 showcases its prowess by accelerating any ferromagnetic projectile under half an inch in diameter to an astounding 200 plus FPS, delivering up to 75 feet-pounds of muzzle energy, depending on the ammunition used. Equipped with a cutting-edge dual-clamped quasi-resonant inverter capacitor charging system, the GR1 can fire up to 20 rounds per minute at full power, or an impressive 100 rounds per minute at 50% power. Adaptable and versatile, the GR1 features a unique variable magazine system capable of accepting 3 standard projectile lengths: 32mm, 42mm, and 52mm, adding to its user-friendly design. The price for this cutting-edge coil gun is $4,450. The Cobra Adder crossbow is a groundbreaking innovation, representing a successful collaboration between EK Archery and Hjorg Sprav. Its most notable feature is the integrated magazine, allowing for rapid-fire action with up to 5 arrows fired in less than 10 seconds by skilled users. What sets the Cobra Adder apart is its exceptional power, precision, and ease of use. The 7.5-inch arrows, equipped with field points, pack a remarkable punch at 41 joules and a tensile weight of 130 pounds, reaching speeds of approximately 270 feet per second. This ensures accuracy at distances of up to 55 yards, making it a formidable choice for various applications. Additionally, the Cobra Adder, priced at $300, offers versatility with its adjustable, removable tactical rear stock. allowing users to tailor it to their preferences. It also includes an all-metal red dot sight that can be adjusted both vertically and horizontally for precise targeting. The Skywall Patrol system is a remarkable tool for countering rogue drones. This mobile, operationally deployed device combines physical drone capture with electronic countermeasures, offering a layered defense. Skywall Patrol employs compressed air to launch a net at the targeted drone, ensuring a safe and precise takedown. The onboard smart scope assists the operator in tracking and targeting drones, even adjusting for their speed and range automatically. Unlike conventional weapons, Skywall Patrol provides a non-lethal response to drone threats, minimizing the risk of escalation. It can function as a standalone solution or integrate seamlessly with broader security systems using the Skylink module. Whether protecting a specific area or a large site, this system offers a versatile counter-drone solution. The RS-X7 Doomsday is your ultimate slingshot for hunting bigger game without venturing into full-on crossbow territory. This rugged and stylish slingshot features a built-in magazine, allowing you to preload up to 40 rounds of 8mm ball bearings, or a single crossbow bolt. What sets the RS-X7 apart is its adjustability. You can fine-tune the power level by adjusting the front handle's position to suit your needs. Additionally, the rear handle includes an 11mm mounting rail for attaching accessories like scopes with laser sights or tactical flashlights. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, this slingshot features a steel cable attached to 8 sets of high-tension rubber bands, ensuring reliable performance when you need it most. The price for this is $250. The Sling Hammer is a 3D printed repeating crossbow pistol designed for power and precision. It fires 12mm steel balls with impressive force. This modern-day ballista combines an adjustable AR-15 stock for comfort and control with a hexagonal barrel design for accuracy. The underlever repeating system ensures swift reloading, maximizing shooting efficiency. The latest version delivers nearly 14 joules of energy, providing impressive performance. While it may not match the pinpoint accuracy of PCP airguns, the Sling Hammer is effective and reliable. You can get your own 3D print files for as low as $13. The TAG's Nano launcher redefines air launchers with its innovative design. This compact device addresses common launcher issues while maintaining impressive reach and efficiency. Notably, it minimizes kickback, making it ideal for discreet transportation across borders and checkpoints. Operating the Nano launcher is intuitive, requiring minimal training. It ensures secure transportation to the target by charging through a 90-degree rotation of the attached air bottle. Speedy air bottle reloading eliminates the need for multi-shot capability and large air bottles, streamlining efficiency. The Nano launcher works with all ropes and fiber ladders and features a new nano titanium folding grapnel for maritime operations. The Mercury Rise Torpedo Revolver 50 caliber paintball pistol is a versatile launcher designed for various 50 caliber projectiles, including spherical, hemispherical, and torpedo projectiles. Crafted from durable, high-impact polymer, this pistol boasts a 6-round cylinder and 2 Picatinny rails for attaching accessories like flashlights, lasers, or red dot sights. It operates on 12 grams CO2 cartridges, sold separately, making it easily reloadable. What makes it stand out are the torpedo projectiles, which offer superior accuracy and double the content capacity of traditional 50 caliber rounds. The quick piercing cap simplifies cartridge replacement, ensuring you're always ready for action. The price is $190. This is a game changer as it combines a magazine and a compound bow, redefining the world of archery. Enter the Fenris M1. This innovative device is neither a traditional bow nor a crossbow. It is something entirely new. Even with just a short amount of practice, any archer can attain high precision and accuracy and a previously impossible rate of fire. The Steambow Fenris allows anyone to shoot accurately after just a few hours of practice, and experienced archers can shoot more rapidly and confidently than ever before. With its convenient magazine and release mechanism, the draw weight is always exactly the same, ensuring consistent performance. It offers fast firing, uncomplicated handling, and the ability to shoot from any firing position. You can get your hands on it for just $300. The Peppaball TCP, short for Tactical Compact Pistol, is your compact and lightweight, non-lethal defense solution designed for law enforcement agencies and personal safety. This low-profile Peppaball launcher allows you to carry a multi-shot, less lethal product on your belt. Equipped with a 6-round capacity magazine, the TCP launcher can fire both standard 68 caliber rounds and long-range VXR projectiles, both available separately. The launcher can be powered using 8 grams CO2 or N2 cartridges for added convenience and versatility. The remarkable feature of Peppaball is its ability to incapacitate an attacker without direct contact. Upon impact within their vicinity, the pepper irritant disperses in a 12-foot radius cloud, effectively reaching the attacker's nose, mouth, and eyes. The proprietary pharmaceutical-grade Pava pepper powder creates an immediate burning and itching sensation in the eyes, nose, throat, and chest, allowing you time to escape and seek help. The Peppaball TCP Ready to Defend kit is priced at $400.